Have you ever heard a snore so loud it shook the castle walls? Well, meet Sir Snore-a-Lot, the only knight in the kingdom who could defeat a dragon without even waking up. Stick around to find out how one sleepy night turned his biggest problem into his greatest power. Sir Snore-a-Lot and the Sleepy Quest. In the kingdom of Nod on the Nose, everyone slept peacefully. Well, almost everyone. Every night the castle walls shook, paintings tilted, mice wore earmuffs. And the reason? Sir Snore-a-Lot. He was a kind and brave knight, but when he slept, he snored like a dragon sneezing in a trumpet. One night, the king stormed into the room in his royal pajamas. "Sir Snore-a-Lot," he bellowed, "you've woken the chickens, the cows, and my crown fell off."
What happens next? Find out by clicking the link in the description.